When we plot coordinates on the polar grid, there's two things we always need. We need the modulus and we need the argument. Now, the modulus is the length of the radius of the circle. So that's the number that's written in front. That's the modulus. So we're just measuring from the center to how long the radius is on the circle. We move that across the real axis. That gives us the modulus. The argument is the angle measure. That's what goes inside parentheses. So this is still plotting just like we would on the complex plane, only we're using the dimensions on the polar grid instead of the Cartesian grid. So it looks a little hard, but once you do it, it's actually kind of intuitive. So if we go up, we'll look at, let's say, letter H. Now, the number in front, our modulus is 3. So I'm going to go up to my circle. I'm going to go over to 3. So I know that I'm on this circle because my radius is 3. So I'm going from the center and I'm going out 3. So that's kind of like what we think of as the x coordinate. Now, if we go back down and look at our number again, we're doing h. So 3 cosine 120 plus I sine 120. So I know I'm on this circle, so all I have to do is follow the circle around until I get to 120 degrees. The intersection of my circle and the ray at 120 degrees is the point H. I label my point, and that is the coordinate 3 cosine 120 plus I 120. So all we're really doing is plotting points, but we're plotting points written as polar coordinates on the polar